Yeah. Here's a real dinky one. He's greedy though. Whoa! Whoa, big one! Damn! Oh no. Right, so you're joining me today. I am in a little creek wading. Just got the Agile. Sorry, I just got that Agile and Alpha TW fed up. Got my shorts on, and I'm just, it's a bit bigger this river. I'm just kind of creeping my way up, fishing the shallow margins, sort of slacky bits, casting in the current and stuff. Got a rock in my shoe, but yeah, wish me luck. Might just go follow there. I'm looking for the kind of slacker eddies behind maybe the little waterfalls or rifts, whatever you want to call them. Maybe hoping a fish would be sat just behind, tucked up behind one of the rocks, looking for something drifting down. Don't know if there's anything that'll eat me in this water. I don't think so. I hope not anyway. Oh, there's some fish in line. Ah, that was a hit. Just past some rocks. I got the old polarized on so I can see what's going on. There should be something in the shade. Gotta be. Well, nothing down there. I thought there would be. Wow, drifting. Guess let's make my way up here. Look at that bit over there. Nice looking bit over here. Oh, I got hit. I saw the fish too. Nope. Typical, stuck on the bottom in the swim. We're gonna have to disturb it. It's nice to know they're in them smaller bits. Yeah. Oh no, I didn't set the hook enough. Trying to get one right up. That's the cast. I say right up amongst that white water. The good thing about these dark sleepers is you can skip them so well. Oh, or you can smash them into a rock. He didn't like being thrown at that rock, his eyes fell off. Gonna keep making my way up. Oh, didn't really want to go that far up. Hey. Here, bassy, bassy, bassy. Oh yeah, that's a nice one. Oh, it might be a small one. Just had me wrapped up. Oh, damn it! Lost him again. Oh, what the hell is going on? I got this one. It's a catfish. Oh no, it's not, it's a bass. It's a shoal bass. I don't know how I managed to give you an eyebrow piercing. Nope. I was going to show him you. Good thing it didn't mess his eye up. It was just in his sort of, well, eyebrow kind of area. Find the next hold. Let's see if I can't get to the upside of this tree. Ugh. Oh yeah. Oh, it's juicy. I reckon if there's a big one hiding anywhere, it'll be in there. Oh, I thought there'd have been a fish in there, but I don't know whether to go left or maybe up this way and I can fish both bits. Yeah. Here's a real dinky one. He's greedy though. I think you're gonna go straight up through here and fish, but well, maybe to the left first to fish up here, and then to the right. Try not to like break my ankle or something. These stones move all over the place. Oh, now I want to be over there. Now, should be able to cast from here. That way. Ah. Something in my shoe again. What a cool bit of wood. It all looks so good, it's really hard casting. The vlog's done a wheelie. I got distracted by that tree. Ah, no. I give it too much. There we go. It's just a loop under a loop. I need to wet my line a little bit so my thumb slides on it, because skipping with a dry thumb, I didn't get any friction on the slow line. I could have set the hook a bit more, but it weren't no monster. Look at that, straight up under that tree though. This is such fun fishing. I've noticed they seem to want it brought down in the current. They won't hit the lure in the spots I've cast back down the current, so I'm bringing the lure up, if that makes any sense. They always seem to want it drifted down. I suppose it's a bit more natural. A bait fish this size swimming up the current at ridiculous speeds is not really very feasible. But maybe we'll get one across the current. Yep. Oh, he hit it, he just missed. It was a small one. He should hit it again. Come on, hit it again. He's following it. Wow, he got off. Yeah, I got him this time. Huh. Oh, he wanted that. First one that's really choked it. Come out nice and easy. They're so strong, these fish that live in the shoals. They don't want you to hold them, they just want to get straight back into their natural environment. Oh damn! Go across here, I guess. Oh. Whoa! Whoa, big one! Damn! Oh no. Oh well, that's done that then. Damn it! Let's go back and get another lure.